Alright everybody, I'm back with another emo video today. Today I'm going to be showing you guys all the animal sounds. I don't think I showed everyone, but I'm going to show you every single one. So let's do this one. Emo. Make a cat sound. Let me turn up his volume. Emo. Volume up. Emo. Make a dog sound. Emo. Make a snake sound. Let's do fox. Emo. What does the fox say? Oh, outside our 238 shout out to you. You're wondering in your Christmas video, animal sound, you're wondering what is the mysterious animal. The mysterious one is the fox. So you just say, what does the fox say? Emo. Make a frog sound. Let's do emo. Make a horse sound. Emo. Make a pig sound. Emo. Make a cow sound. Emo. Make a sheep sound. Emo. Make an elephant sound. Let's do, what else can we do? Emo. Make a cuckoo sound. Emo. Make a wolf sound. Let's do, emo. Make a cicada sound. Emo. Make a chicken sound. Emo. Make a duck sound. There he goes, duck. Let's do, what else is there? Emo. Make a cicada sound. I'm gonna do frog again. Emo. Emo. Make a frog sound. Alright, I'm gonna give this video a break soon. Let's do some more. My favorite one, what does the fox say? Emo. What does the fox say? Alright, let's tell him goodbye. Emo. Goodbye.
Goodbye, my friend.
Emo. Power off. That is basically, I guess, all the animal sounds on emo. That's it for today's video. Goodbye.